Hello my dear student, class 11 welcome in biology class, chapter number 4. Today I am going to start. In this chapter name is Animal Kingdom. So name clear that we will learn about the totally in this chapter about animal, types of animal, their variety and their function, their body structure, different things we will learn in this chapter, that is chapter number 4, Animal Kingdom. Generally you see around your different variety or different types of organism are found in organism, and in organism animal are found. They must be classified into their groups for their general identification, nomenclature, and for categorized their basic function. So classification of organism is important because without classification we cannot identify the this is a particular organism, particular animal. So let us focus in this chapter number 4. We will learn totally about the plant. In this chapter mainly we focus two topics. First one is the basis of classification. What is the major basis of classification? And next topic is classification of animal. In this chapter we will learn basis of classification and second is the classification of animal. ये चैप्टर बताता है क्या कि हम किसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे? एनिमल किंगडम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, क्योंकि हम लोग जानते हैं कि हमारे इन्वायरमेंट में चारों तरफ डिफरेंट वैरायटी के ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं और उसमें एनिमल भी डिफरेंट तरीके के हैं. उनको क्लासिफाइड करना बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. बाय देयर क्लासिफिकेशन हम लोग आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं क्या उनका फंक्शन क्या है, उनका बिहेवियर क्या है, वो किस ग्रुप में आते हैं. So let us one by one. First topic, basis of classification. Here following different basis of the classification are there. First one is the label of organization. On the basis of label of organization there are following category that is helpful in the classification of animal on their basis lives. First one is the body of chemistry. In this body of chemistry, the structure, primary structure of animal is important for the classification. Next one is the nature of xylem or cavity. This is the second, nature of xylem or cavity. This is the category. By their coelometric change must be need in the classification. Next one is the body plan. What is the body plan? It is a so the criteria in which the body plan is given. One by one we will learn detail in the next topic. And next one is the pattern of development, how plants are develop their body. Next, segmentation of body, how the body of the organism or animal are segmented in the different part. And last one is the presence or absence of notochord. Notochord means generally it is a pipe-like structure and also known as in the vertebral column. So this is the basic level of organization: body chemistry, nature of xylem, body plan, pattern of development, segmentation of body, presence or absence of notochord. We will learn one by one detail about level of organization, body chemistry, nature of xylem, body plan, pattern of development, segmentation of body, at last presence or absence of notochord in this chapter. Next topic, one by one detail. First, level of organization of basis classification of the organism are that this level of organization are based on cellular level. In the cellular level, they are multicellular or the unicellular level. In the tissue level organization it depend upon their tissue quality, how types of which type of tissue present in the organism, that help in the open and closed circulation of blood into the organism. By the open circulation, blood is pumped throughout heart and batch in the tissue, and in the closed circulation they are done by the artery and capillary. Organ level, it depends upon the body organization, a different organ of the organism. And organ system level, it complete or incomplete digestive system. Either organ system means the system done by their organic level inside their body system. First, transpiration, respiration and digestion etc. are this organ system level. These are the four basic level of organization of organism. First one is the cellular level, second tissue level, third organ level, and fourth is the organ system level. Very simple. Next is the body chemistry. Next important is the body chemistry is also important for the classification of the organism. By their body chemistry or body structure, we can classify the organism. So let us, on the basis of body symmetry, organism are two types: symmetrical organism and asymmetrical organism. Symmetrical animal or asymmetrical animal. Symmetrical animal means they can be divided into two equal parts. Symmetrical means they can be divided into two equal parts. And asymmetrical, body is not divisible into equal halves. That is not divisible into the equal halves. For example, amoeba and spongy. Further, this symmetrical is classified into two parts. First one is the radial symmetry and second one is the bilateral symmetry. Radial symmetry means they can be divided into two halves by any place. In the radial symmetry, organism or animal are divided into two parts or two halves from any place. For example, starfish, hydra, both are animal that can be divided into two halves, two parts by any place. And next, bilateral. In the bilateral, it can be divided into two halves by only one place. For example, all invertebrate. For example, कैंसर की बॉडी ऐसे जनरली इसको हम केवल एक सेंटर से डिवाइड कर पाएंगे. और रेडिकल में क्या होगा? रेडिकल में कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म इसको कहीं से भी डिवाइड कर दीजिए, दो भागों में डिवाइड करने, चाहे एक भाग बड़ा हो जाए दूसरा छोटा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. बाइलैटरल में इक्वल पार्ट में होंगे लेकिन एक प्लेस पे, ओनली वन प्लेस पे. सो दिस इज अबाउट बॉडी सिमेट्री ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म. एसिमेट्रिकल organism are asymmetrical and symmetrical. Symmetrical body can be divided into two halves or two parts, but in the asymmetrical body cannot be divisible into two parts. For example, amoeba, spongy, etc. It is asymmetrical are two types: radical symmetry and bilateral symmetry. Radical symmetry in this organism body part can be divided into two parts by any place. For example, starfish and hydra. And next one is the bilateral. The body part can be divided into two parts by only one place. For example, all invertebrates. This is about level of organization and body symmetry of organism. Next two is the diploblastic and triploblastic organization. It is also known as on the basis of their embryonic layer organization. Diploblastic, diplo, di, 2 and triplo try 3. Diploblastic, when animal cell arrangement as their embryonic layer into the ectoderm and endoderm are called diploblastic. Any animal which cell arrangement as ectoderm and endoderm in their embryonic layer is called diploblastic. Example, coelentrates. Next, triploblastic, when animal which arrangement of their cell is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm and in their embryonic layer are called triploblastic organization. Example, a triploblastic organization found in platyhelminthes to the chordates. In animal classification, we will learn one by one about the Coelentrata, platyhelminthes, Animalia, etc. So once more, diploblastic organization, animal which have cell arrangement are as ectoderm and endoderm in their embryonic layer are called diploblastic. This diploblastic organization found in the coelentrates, and triploblastic organization, organism which cell arrangement into the ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm in their embryonic layer are called triploblastic organization, which are found in platyhelminthes to the chordates. Next is the nature of coelom or body cavity. What is criteria of their body cavity? On the basis of nature of body cavity, it is important to differentiate the body category on the basis of their organization. These are three types. First one is coelomate, second pseudocoelomate, and last is the acoelomate. Three type of body cavity are nature of coelom found in the animal: coelomate, pseudocoelomate and acoelomate. When the cavity or body of organism or animal are divided into body cavity divided into ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm, they are called coelomate. Three part: ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm are they are called the coelomate. For example, Annelida, mollusca, arthropod, etc. Main example of the coelomate. Next one is the pseudocoelomate. In there, no mesoderm is found, only ectoderm and endoderm layer is found. That is coelomate. For example, Escahelminthes, also known as the round worm. Last one is the acoelomate. Acoelomate, no body cavity. There is a no. A means absent, coelomate means body cavity. Absent of body cavity, no body cavity. For example, platyhelminthes, that is called flat worm. Once more, nature of coelom या coelom या body cavity तीन तरीके के होते हैं: coelomate, pseudocoelomate and acoelomate. coelomate में क्या होता है? बॉडी कैविटी किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म का थ्री पार्ट में होता है: एक्टोडर्म, एंडोडर्म एंड मेसोडर्म. एग्जांपल जिसका है एनिलिडा, मोलस्का, आर्थ्रोपोड एक्सेट्रा. और pseudocoelomate में उसमें मेसोडर्म नहीं पाया जाता है, केवल एक्टोडर्म, मेसोडर्म एंड एंडोडर्म पाया जाता है. एग्जांपल इसका है एस्काहेल्मिन्थेस, दैट इज नोन एज राउंड वर्म. लास्ट acoelomate. A means absent, coelomate absent of no body cavity found in organism. For example, platyhelminthes, that is known as flat worm. This is about to diploblastic and triploblastic organization and nature of coelom. Last three bases of classification are: first one is the body plan, segmentation and notochord. Body plan means this is shown as the how plan of the system of the body. Cell aggregate plan and blind sac body plan. Means cell aggregation shows in the body plan and also in the blind sac body plan without sac. Next one is the segmentation. Segmentation means dividation. Segmentation, when body part divided into externally and internally in any organism by their repetition of pattern are called metameric segmentation. This metameric segmentation also called true segmentation. Once again, when body of an animal divided in externally or internally into two parts with repetition of their pattern are called metameric segmentation. This generally shown in the earthworm. In the earthworm, body symmetry you can see earthworm can move from external to internal, backward to forward, and their body segment is internally and externally divided into parts with specific pattern in the segmentation. Last one is the notocard. Important notocard. Notocard is a pipe-like structure which generally equal to the vertical column, and this is generally known as mesodermal origin. It is known as mesodermal origin, and rod-like structure. This notocard. Generally, animal which have notocard are called cardate. For example, all animals, and without notocard, animal which have no notocard or without notocard are called non-cardate. Example from Porifera to Coelenterata. Once again, body plan of the basic organism, body cell aggregate plan, blind side body plan. Next segmentation is metameric. Externally and internally segment are divided at a specific pattern. Example earthworm. And last one is the notocard. Notocard means it is the layer of mesodermic origin. Also they are the pipe-like structure or rod-like structure, and generally known as the vertical column. Animal with notocard are called cardate. Animal without notocard are non-cardate. Cardate are animals, and without notocard animal are from Porifera to Coelenterata. These are the all about basic level of organization of animal, in which we learn about the body symmetry, pattern of body, cavity, coelometric and triploplastic and diploplastic organization of label, segmentation and notocard, presence of notocard, absence of notocard, body plan and etc. we learn in the basic level of organization of animal in this chapter, animal kingdom. This is first part. Next part is the animal classification. In the next video we will learn. So this is all basic primary requirement of the classification of organism. First, body symmetry, their level of organization, and segmentation, body cavity, triploplastic, etc. are the primary basic level of organization of organism.